In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating tables in PowerPoint is a straightforward process, and I'm excited to walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, we need to insert a slide with content placeholders. This is a crucial step because instead of manually drawing a table from scratch, we can use an existing template that makes it much easier. To do this, head over to the Home tab and look for the New Slide option. You will see a small drop-down arrow next to it. Go ahead and click that. From the layout options that pop up, select Title and Content. This will give you a clean canvas to work on. Once you've got that slide ready, it's time to configure your grid. In the main body of your newly created slide, you'll notice a bunch of tiny utility shortcuts. One of these looks like a grid. This is the Insert Table icon. Click on it, and you'll see a prompt box asking for your desired dimensions. For example, if you want a table with 10 columns and 5 rows, just type those numbers in and hit OK. Almost instantly, you'll notice that a grid appears across your slide, ready for you to start filling in your data. Now that we have our table created, let's move on to customizing the styling. Right after creating the table, you should see a Table Design toolbar unlock at the top of your screen. This is where the fun begins. To start sprucing up your table, browse through the Table Styles options available in the Layout banner. You can pick a color profile or color scheme that matches the theme of your presentation. Be adventurous. Choosing the right colors can make your table pop and grab your audience's attention. Next, let's talk about borders. If you want to emphasize or de-emphasize certain parts of your table, highlighting the grid and using the Borders tool will be really helpful. You can toggle the visibility of the grid lines or even adjust their thickness depending on how you want your table to look. A well-defined border can really pull the whole look together. Finally, let's enhance the aesthetics even further with effects. The Table Design toolbar allows you to apply various visual tweaks. You can add effects like cellular shadows or bevels, which can give your grid more depth and visual interest on the screen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different effects. Sometimes a small change can make a big impact. And that's it. You have successfully created a table in PowerPoint and given it a stylish update. Remember, tables are a great way to present data clearly and effectively, so don't hesitate to incorporate them into your future presentations. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using PowerPoint.